So I feel like this festive period, you need this recipe. You need this, my spring roll and samosas recipe. Now, this particular sheet, you can use this for your spring roll. You can use this for your samosas, all right? And also your money bag. Do you know how to make money bag? I posted that recipe one time like that. So I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll be writing everything on the screen while I'll also be telling you with my mouth. Half teaspoon of my salt, 1/4 cup of my cornstarch. That cornstarch is optional in case you don't have. It will just make your sheet a little bit more crunchier, just like you saw in the video. I'll be using 2 cups of water, right? Adding it gradually so I'll mix it properly without having any lumps. We don't need any lumps. Anyway, if it has lumps, you go ahead and strain it. You understand? Strain it before you fry. Now, I prefer doing this method and one other method I posted before because I find those 2 methods easier than the one you use your hand and rub the thing in the pan. That one is always giving me stress, so I don't like doing that one. Do you understand? So after mixing it properly, you'll be needing your brush like that because we'll be brushing it, or you use your hand to do it. No, this one is too watery. It's not for the hand. This one is for the brush, all right? You can just pour it in your pan, then remove the excess if you don't have brush like this. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah, I forgot. Sorry, I could have shown you that method while making the video, but it's okay till another time. You understand that? But this brush is 150, a bit 200. So go ahead and get it. This particular one here, they have 150, they have 200, they have 600. 600 is the highest amount on for this brush, all right? This particular brush I'm using here. Non-stick pan is 5,000 naira, and you can use this. Non-stick pan is not non-sticking anymore, but I'm still managing it. I think I've stopped using it for anything called non-stick because the layers are not layering anymore, so it's no longer non-stick. It's just like a normal regular pan now. If those coat under your pan start rubbing off, that means it's no longer non-stick, it's regular pan. So I've stopped using it. After making our sheet, we'll go ahead and make our filling. I have oil there, I have onions. I'll go ahead and add in chicken. Now, chicken is basically used for spring roll. Do you understand? Spring roll, or some people use only veggies, but I don't use only veggies. I use veggies and chicken. That way the spring roll is complete. But then you can use only veggies, you understand, for your spring roll. I mix everything, not forgetting to add in your atarodo, your scotch bonnet. Go ahead and stir, then add in your shredded veggies. I'm using here carrot and also my cabbage. I'll go ahead and stir. Now the heat is off already. The residual heat from my pan is going to cook my veggies because remember we are still going to fry, so you don't need to cook the veggies too much. So I added in my light soy sauce, my dark soy sauce, and also my oyster sauce. I just showed with my pan to know that my burner to know that the heat is off. After stirring, allow it to cool down before we start making. Now I have here flour and just water for my slurry. We'll use it and seal. Very, very important to surprise your guests this festive period. Show them you're following Easy Eat TV. Now I use my the flour and the water paste, you understand, to rub all over our sheet and then cover it like this so that when you're rolling it will not shift the other side. I'm just using my hand to demonstrate for you. You understand? So rub here again so that when you're folding it will see proper. Now this one is for beginner friendly. You can see there, very easy. Anybody can make this. Anybody at all can make this. So this is it. So you just repeat the same process, all right, and you're good to go. It is very easy to make spring rolls, samosas, money in the bank, all those small chops. It is very easy to put them together, all right. Now this one here is not that perfect, but we are still going to use it because nothing is going to waste here. We use every single thing. So you can see it here. It is very easy, very simple, very easy. Now go ahead and fry. Let's wrap the samosas. And while we fry the spring roll, before we go to the samosas, I want you to please take out your 1 minute to head to my YT and follow and subscribe. That's what I mean. I need your help. Make my village people no laugh me. May they not tell me, I think say you talk so you get fan. How come now only you and your one auntie they watch your videos? Please support me, all right? I'm actively posting there now, so thank you very much. Let's make these samosas. Now remember, we are using the same sheet we made to make the same samosa. This is it. I trimmed it with the plate. So let's go ahead and make the filling first. I added in my onions, oil, my meat, pepper, salt, seasoning cube. I'll mix and use the same dish sauce. Go ahead and buy this sauce. They are 900 naira in the market. The small one, the big bottles 1008. Go ahead and get them and keep in your house. Now you can see the difference here. I use meat here and I diced the carrot. I did not shred, I diced. So after my meat cooked, I still have some liquid. I have to add in flour to dry out the liquid. I'll allow it to cool before using. So remember the same our sheet we prepared. I'll go ahead and divide it into two. You can divide it another two more. That means one sheet can give you 4 samosas. But if you want it bigger like mine, you can use 2 cutting like that, divide it into 2 and then do what I'm doing here. But if you want it bigger than that, do not divide it, just fill it like that. I have a video on how I use the whole one to do my samosas. All right, it is very easy. I could have demonstrated that in this video because I know you guys will not go and look for the other one that I'm telling you to look. You guys don't like looking for something. You just want to post it down. Just like you do, you tell me, do a donut video. I'll tell you it's on my page. You tell me I cannot find it, do another one. I'll go still post them again. Tomorrow you still tell me, do donut video, I cannot find it. See, when I go to start to pay me money, so that I'm going to send money we they use to all these things. Because I don't know when I want to make a post one recipe 100 times. Now, if you want to make it day smaller, you can cut it into 4 parts, just like I said. So now be this. So just look, I go find one video for the one where I don't post it. Make I just attach them to this one because the other one no been get them. So I have to look for it. This is it. In case you want to do and make it a smaller, in case you have plenty children. So I'm just showing you in different angles that you can do it. You understand? I like you guys to understand whenever I'm teaching you. I like you understanding very well, except when I want post for real. Now, most time, real videos now 1 minute. So posting in real now fast. So you may know. And if you come across my videos on reels, you don't understand, just go through my page. You'll see what you're looking for. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and follow for more. Bye.